Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Please, if you are new to this channel and you are here to subscribe, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be making a long cowl gown. So I make use of this fabric. I have 3 years of this fabric here. As you can see, my fabric is folded into 4 equal parts. And I'm cutting this together with the shoulder. It will not have zip allowance. So let's get started. So after folding your fabric into 4 equal parts, take shoulder measurements and sleeve measurements. The shoulder that I'm working with is 16 inches divided by 2 will give us 8 inches. So I will start my measurement from this side. From here, I will mark out 8 inches for shoulder. From these 8 inches, I will mark out sleeve measurements. I'm making use of 12 inches for sleeve measurements. So when you check this from this edge, it will give us 20 inches for the shoulder and sleeve measurement. So where I mark sleeve measurements, I will measure 1 inch here. This is for shoulder sleeve. So from this side also, neckline. I'll take neckline measurements. I'll make it of 4 inches width and also 4 inches long. Count this. I'll connect this 1 inch to neckline measurements. So this is this. From this 1 inch, I will take the sleeve measurements. 16 inches divided by 2 will give us 8 inches. Mark this. Mark a straight line from shoulder to sleeve measurements. After marking out neckline and sleeve line measurement, I'll take shoulder to hip line measurement 25 inches. Shoulder to knee measurement is 35 inches. This measurement that I'm working with is for a tall person, so you determine yours. Mark this up. Okay. So after marking out the line, I will determine the midpoint from shoulder to hip and shoulder to knee measurement. This is 10 inches, the midpoint will be 5 inches. I also use my ruler to mark out a straight line. So this is the midpoint between shoulder to hip line measurement and shoulder to knee measurement. So I did shoulder to knee measurement. From this shoulder to knee measurement, I will divide round hip by 4, giving us 11.25. So here I will measure 11.2. I'll add 4 inches for ease. After that, I will mark from sleeve to hip measurement, a straight line. This is from sleeve to hip. The midpoint. So from this midpoint, curve to this shoulder to knee measurement. So from here, I will mark a straight line down to hemline. Here will be straight down to hemline. Mark a straight line down to gown length. So this is it. I will go ahead and cut this out. Don't forget to notch round sleeve measurement. So this is it. Very simple and easy to cut. So after cutting this out, this one side of it. So on the neckline, I will use the same fabric to turn the neckline. So after turning the neckline, I will join the two shoulders. So I'm joining the two shoulders this way. Okay, this is the sleeve. This band here is 2 inches. When folded into two, when unfolded, it will give us 4 inches. Just to fold it into 2 stitches, I'll close the two sides up with 1 inch. I'll close the two sides up using 1 inch. This is the neckline. I turn the neckline with same fabric. As you can see, I'll close the two sides up with 1 inch.